Fire up your core in just 5 minutes. This quick yoga flow will strengthen your abs, boost your metabolism, and help burn stubborn belly fat. But before we start, take a minute to gently warm up your joints. Roll your neck, wrist, shoulders, and ankles to prepare your body. Ready? Let's begin. Start at the front of your mat. Step your left leg back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and twist to the left, bringing hands to heart center. This twist engages the obliques and detox the digestive system. Inhale, return to center, exhale and come back. Repeat on the other side. Now start in tabletop position. Inhale, extend your right leg and left arm straight out. Exhale and crunch knee to elbow, rounding your back. This will strengthen the deep core and burn fat with controlled movement. Relax and do it on the other side. Now come to high plank. Engage your core. Inhale, exhale and bring your right knee toward your right elbow. Inhale back, exhale, left elbow, left knee. Repeat this alternating continuously. This engages the lower abs and obliques while holding plank stability. Now let's come into boat pose. Balancing on your sit bones. As you inhale, lower into low boat. Exhale and lift up. Repeat with control. It will intense your lower ab burn and will build endurance. Relax and now lie on your back. Legs bent at 90 degrees, arms out wide. Inhale, exhale and lower knees to the right, then to the left, like windshield wipers. Keep it controlled, engaging obliques. This will burn fat while sculpting the waist. Relax And now let's start in dolphin pose, like downward dog but on forearms. Walk your feet forward and back in tiny steps, engaging your core. Keep your hips lifted and belly tight. This will strengthen the deep core muscles while also toning shoulders and arms. And that's it. A short but powerful routine to fire up your core and boost fat burn. Practice this daily and let me know how you feel in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.